You won't see too many at the drag strip that doesn't like the name, probably.
Right? What kind of car is this, actually?
It's a Renault.
A Renault?
34 Renault.
Wow, so how'd you come across this car?
It was sitting at the Redneck Rumble in Lebanon, Tennessee. And I was down there selling junk, and he unloaded it. Oh, that's a pretty cool old piece. He still had it when the day the swap meet was over, so we made a deal on it.
Did you do all the work yourself?
What I had to do, that was all cut up. Had to come home and make the own frame just for the body to get the doors lined back up, squared up the way I wanted. Then I had to set it up on my jig table and start building the 2x3 frame rail. And then I put the roll cage in and do the interior last. And of course I powder coated the chassis, so every nut and bolt had to be welded on first. I built my own shocks for it because that's just what I had sitting around. There's no show about the drag radials. They don't have any smoke about them. It doesn't pull the wheels. It's kind of a yawn fest, really. It squats and goes.
Nice. What are you running right now?
664, the first pass today. They've got one of my buddies has got a blower motor.
Oh.
I want to put that in.
Well, that helps a lot.
And that's the sad part. It's not going to stop there. All right, we got the blower motor. Now we got to spend $2,500 Power Glide transmission.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, now we can't get traction. We got to get wider wheels and bigger tires or wider tires on. So it's just never ending.
Snowballs, yeah.
So it needs to stay right where it's at. That's what it needs to do.
Have a little fun with it, you know? Bet it sounds good too.
It don't sound bad. The car's a lot better than the driver is right now. But I don't know if I ever wreck it. It didn't have a front bumper on it. I need to put one, because if you ever destroy that grill, and the hood was mint on it, and I couldn't cut the hood up because I didn't want any sides on it. Just to show off injection, I guess.
Yeah, you wouldn't be getting another grill, right? Something happened to that one?
Would find one. Not here. I've Googled them and I haven't yet to find one on a Google search. It's not stock or not overseas. You can find some stuff on eBay, but I don't know what the conversion is on the money, so I stay away from it all.
Deplorable.
Oh, Deplorable. You won't see too many at the drag strip that doesn't like the name, probably.
Right?